Hello students, good morning everyone. Already I have completed Unit 2 Prose 2 When the Trees Walked by Ruskin Bond. Is it clear to you all? Okay, now I am going to recall all the three sections in very short. Okay children? Come, let's move on to recall. In section 1, we have seen how author spends his time with his grandfather and grandmother in a village, and the area was planted with more and more trees. In section 2, grandfather explains him the importance of trees and why we grow forest. Forest is the place which gives shelter for animals, birds, and also gives food for them. And in third section, we saw author settled down in abroad and also came back. At last, grandfather's dream had came true. We saw first prose mind map in sea turtles lesson. Now it's mind map for second prose when the trees walked. First one, follow these arrow marks carefully children. Please follow the given arrow marks. Okay. First point is grandfather built a bungalow and planting trees all around. And second point is, during the rains, grandfather walked into the jungle armed with cutting and saplings to plant in the forest. And third point is, they found a small rocky island and grandfather planted number of tamarind, laburnum and coral trees, saplings. Is it? Now we move on to fourth point. During the Second World War, the author was sent away to the boarding school. And fifth point is, some years later, the author returned and visited the old house and walked towards the riverbed. And sixth point is, he looked around and noted small trees, wild plants and grasses had sprung up under their protection. This is a short recap, and now I am going to explain by point. Okay children, first point, grandfather built a very big house and planted so many trees all around his bungalow. And second point is, during rainy season, grandfather walked into the forest with some of these saplings and to plant in the forest so that it would become very big forest. And third point is, a small rocky island and grandfather planted number of tamarind, laburnum and coral trees, saplings. He found a small island and there grandfather plant very number of trees like tamarind tree, laburnum tree and also coral tree saplings. And fourth point is, during the Second World War, the author was sent away to the boarding school. And some years later, the author returned and visited the old house and walked into the riverbed. Now he looked all around and noticed the small trees and very wild plants, and also noticed some of the grasses had grown under their protection. This is how the short recap of these when the trees walked prose. Is it clear to you children? Now in this video I have covered book back exercise, question answers and also mind map. This mind map gives you clear attention of this prose. I hope this video is very helpful to you, and please follow our instructions. Do your homework correctly and submit it in your Google Classroom children. Please respect our hard work and do your best children. Okay, now it's time for your today's assignment. Today your assignment is, you are going to write test upon this mind map given in your second prose. Okay children, I have completed second prose from unit 2. So now you are going to write these mind maps as I gave. Okay, you just have to draw the arrow marks properly and write point by point as I am given. Okay, follow this instruction carefully children. Do response for your homework. It is very important to us. So today you are going to write the test upon mind map which I recalled in this session. I hope this is very clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, children. In Prose 2, already I have revised and recalled meanings, question answers, and now I revised mind map for Prose 2. By explaining this mind map, you get a clear attention of the lesson. Okay, children? Here I gave some of the important points from your Prose 2 When the Trees Walked by Ruskin Bond. So, if you follow all these points, it is very easy to learn the question answers also. So that I provide mind map to get a clear attention and clear explanation of this prose. So today you are going to write it as a test. Okay, thank you for your support, parents. Children, please do response again and again. I am telling this to you. Write your test sincerely. Post it in your Google Classroom. Please follow our instruction to post your assignments. You should have to turn in. After submitting your assignments, you have to turn in the assignment. Then only I can check your assignments. Otherwise, I cannot see your assignments. Okay, children? Follow our instructions. And in next class, I will teach you the grammar. I hope this is very helpful to you. Thank you, children. Thank you, parents. So, write today's test and please post it as soon as possible in your Google Classroom. Okay, children. Thank you.